Hey, are you practicing for nationals?
You know that's not a thing, right?
Yes, it is. I practice for nationals.
Okay.
Anyway, package came.
Me again?
No, actually, it's here for me.
From who?
UltraSabers. Hi, everybody. It's Galactic Force Media here. And today we're going to change it up a little bit, and we're going to do a review on an UltraSabers product that I purchased recently. The Fallen is based on the lightsaber found in Jedi Fallen Order, which came out within the last 6 months on PlayStation 4 and Xbox One, following Cal Kestis and his Jedi journey. So I actually ordered this on April 24th when UltraSabers started their May the 4th lightsaber sale. I was able to get a 15% off coupon, and this was something that I was looking at for a while since it came out, but I didn't pull the trigger until I knew I can get a good deal on it. So this ended up coming to $195 after the discount. So the hilt itself is 16 inches long. It's huge. The thing, for somebody with big hands, this thing is great. You can get a really good grip on it. It has a nice weight to it. Even the grip itself has that texture to it. I think after a while it will kind of hurt the hand if you keep twisting it in your hand and whatnot, but you're not going to lose this out of your hand if you're going to swing this around. So I do love the craftsmanship and the way it's been machined and the way it was created, and it's a wonderful hilt. It's probably one of the best ones that is part of our collection right now as far as the aesthetics go. It does come with a clip so you can put it onto your belt, which is fantastic. So if you were going to cosplay, this is a great saber hilt that you can throw right on the belt. It goes right onto your lightsaber clip. It's absolutely fantastic. As far as the sound goes, I think this has the best speaker out of any of the lightsabers that we currently own. I received it with the Obsidian Light soundboard, and the Obsidian Light soundboard has no flash on clash, no lockup. It'll play the lockup sounds and it will register as a flash on clash, but the LED stays the solid color of whatever blade you chose. So check out this part of the video where I'm out back swinging it around for a little bit. So this is the Fallen from UltraSabers, and I got it in orange. Make sure push the lockup button. It locks up, but there's no blade effects. And if I'm for flash on clash, there's just clash. Ow! So the question is, am I happy with the saber purchase? I think the saber looks absolutely amazing. I think for the features that you receive from UltraSabers, especially if you're going with the Obsidian Light soundboard, I think they can do better as far as what they're giving you for the price. This also took 7 weeks to arrive to me. So aside from the fact that they don't respond to emails and they have a very long turnaround time on their sabers, and you're not getting what you can get from other companies right now as far as sound and features, I think I'm going to stay away from UltraSabers for a while until maybe they change some of the technology or maybe come down in the price with what you can purchase features wise. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the box below. Hope to hear from you guys. Hope you're having a good week, and may the Force be with you.